it means how you can measure the money supplied in the economy, how much money is circulated in the economy, how much money is there in the economy, how can you measure that amount. That can be done by the four measures. These are called M1, M3 and M4. The total of all these is the total money supply in the currency. What are M1, M2, M3 and M4? M1 is very much important for our syllabus. It includes in our syllabus. So we'll study about the M1, and M2 and M3 we'll talk in the short. M1 is equal to C plus DD plus OD. Now what are C, what is DD and what is OD? C refers to the currency held by public. C, currency held by public. Then DD, demand deposit. How much demand deposit are done by the people? It means how much money is deposited with commercial bank. This is the money which can be either withdrawn on any time or can be transferred on any time. It means the money deposited in our saving bank account or in our current bank account. Then OD. OD say is other deposit. Currency, demand deposit and other deposit. Other deposit generally refers to the deposits of the government with RBI. Deposit of government with RBI and the government deposit of bank with RBI. The deposit of governments with RBI and deposit of banks with RBI. These are called the other deposits. So this is the M1. This is the primary measure of money, the currency held by people, the demand deposits in the bank and the deposits of government and banks with RBI. The total of these three is called M1. This is the first measure of currency, the first measure of money. Then we have M2, M3 and M4 as well. M2 is equal to M1 plus, मतलब all three plus deposits with post office bank account. It means the money deposited in post office. Then M3, it is M1 plus net time deposit with commercial banks. It means FD plus RD, fixed deposit and recurring deposit, plus these three. This is M3. And then M4. M3 plus total deposits with post office. It means this one plus the other, it means the FD plus RD plus other deposit in the bank. What we do need not to include is just exclude NSC, National Saving Certificate. You have to exclude only NSC. Other than NSC, all the deposits in the post office plus M3 is equal to M4. This is the aggregate money of the country. So this is how we can measure the money supplied in our country. So this was about the money. In next time when we meet, we'll study about the banking system of our country. Thank you.